Greetings, this is BPI News Plus in 1 minute for October 2012. In October, the BPI project held an intensive 5-day lead auditor training series attended by 31 business people. This training gave participants the skills required to building a pool of qualified quality assurance managers and auditors in Mongolia. We just received the passage results suggesting an impressive 85% success rate by the trainees. In the past month, the government of Mongolia took concrete steps towards eliminating 5 documents out of 8 currently required for exporting from Mongolia and 4 documents out of 8 for importing into Mongolia. This proposed reform is a result of a series of discussions held by a trade reform working group led by the Cabinet Secretariat with key stakeholders from public and private sectors with support from the BPI project. In the coming months, the working group is planning to propose legislative amendments to eliminate these documents. This has been BPI News Plus in 1 minute. Don't forget to visit bpi.mn for more information.